This is Motorola Moto E13, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls for this device. So, to begin with, you will need to launch settings. Onwards, enter the Google category. In here, make sure that there are no Google accounts linked to your device. If you have any, just tap over here, go for the Manage Accounts on this device option, and remove all the Google accounts you have added one by one. Once this step is out of the way, we can actually start the setup procedure. So re-enter the Google category of settings, then go for the parental controls section over here, then tap at the Get Started, Child or Teen, Next. In here, go for the Add or Create Account for a Child option, and sign into the Google account that you have prepared for your child, or, well, create one if you didn't have it prior. So I do happen to have the Gmail account that I can use, and it's also, well, might be a parent, but regardless, worth mentioning that the child has not to know the password to this Google account that you'll use, or they will be easily able to bypass parental controls and turn them off by their will, which obviously the situation you do not want to find yourself in. So enter the email address, then password, then, well, continue the login procedure as you would normally do with Google. After that, choose an account we have just signed into from the list. And after that, start entering the credentials for the parent's Google account or the Gmail account that you'll use as parent or supervisor in order to monitor and to set up your child's phone activity. So enter email, enter password, you know the drill. Click next. Wait until account will get checked properly. At the following About Supervision page, at the very bottom part of it, enter the password to the child's Google account once again in order to confirm the account linking. Then tap at the agree button, then allow. Wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Then proceed. In here, you can turn on or turn off some of the apps, but you will also be able to do that later on as well. So if you would like to finish the setup earlier, or sooner, you can just disregard this step. Simply click next, do not change anything. The same applies for the following page that contains the filters, settings, and content restrictions. In here you have like two ways you can go for. If the device that is written in the bold font is the one that you'll use for as a supervisor or parent, you can just tap at the blue button and the required application will get automatically downloaded and installed on your phone, or you can just skip the step and manually do that. That's the option that I'll go for, since it's universal and will work in all the cases. So the parental controls at the child's end were successfully set up and enrolled. Now take your parent's device and download the Family Link application from the App Store. Then launch it. In here, make sure to sign into the app with the Google account that you have earlier identified as parents. And then proceed. And over here at the Family Link app, you can do a lot of things. For example, set up the daily usage limits for the phone, set up the downtime routine, turn on and turn off app, set the app limits for your child, monitor your child's app activity, configure account settings, manage the devices if you have multiple added, monitor your child's location, and see your child's usage highlights. Alrighty, so that would be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.